this session on how we see high-performance CPR. So, I'm Jason van Velder, I'm a pre-hospital emergency medicine and critical care retrieval physician. I work in Ireland, County Cork. This is my fine colleague, speak up.
Laura O'Callaghan, I'm a critical care paramedic in Ireland, Cork as well, and I work quite a bit with Jason pre-hospital.
So, I'm going to give you the scenario. The scenario is we've walked into this conference room. I would not do it like that. All right? That's on purpose, because we're going to have debate.
Can you continue hard and fast on the chest just like you're doing? Your position's quite good. The first thing I'm going to do is secure her airway.
Something a little bit controversial now. Her first thing that she's doing is the airway.
So I'm going to deliver 2 breaths in a second, just to confirm my tube placement. So I want you to pause briefly while I do that.
Yep. Okay.
So I'm going to deliver two breaths through the medula trigger. It delivers a set tidal volume and a set pressure.
So whatever we're doing, we are optimizing, pushing hard and fast on the chest.
Okay.
We are not pausing. Note that she has not at any time stopped.
And I'm going to pop this into CCSV mode now. Okay? So the CCSV mode here, you're going to see if the rate is between 100 and 120, it's going to be green, so you need to slow your rate down a small bit.
Sorry, too fast.
Okay. And what we're looking for is negative and positive flow on the waveform as well. Okay? So that's...
She is optimizing perfusion and oxygenation.
So when your rate is correct, she's doing really good CPR. It's between 100 and 120. And we've got negative and positive waveform here as well. We don't have end-tide on the screen, obviously, because it's a mannequin, but we can confirm it with the inline on the ventilator.
So your ventilatory trigger is the downstroke of the CPR. All right? Right, we know that compressions by a human are non-inferior to compressions by a mechanical device. Because it's the compressions that are triggering the ventilator. That's the ventilatory trigger. By fully automating ventilation and fully automating perfusion, that's it there. Now we talk.